Hello and welcome back to another video from Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to talk about how to work from home in 2020. That's right, there's a lot of jobs out there in 2020 online that you could be doing right now and earning a living. So make sure you stay tuned till the end so you check them all out. And let's get started with the first one. The first one is become an online tutor. Check Tutors is a great place to start. Why becoming an online tutor? Because it allows you flexible hours, it allows you to work from home, it's a good way to make money, and as you can see here in Check Tutors, you can earn up to $1,000 a month working 20 plus hours, right? So you can make a very good living, very comfortable money, even as a side hustle, and all you have to do is teach people, right? They have tutors for everything. You get paid weekly, so it's not only like languages or science or history, right? You can choose the topics that interest you and you can tutor people and start earning money. Now, Check is not the only webpage. There's other web pages to do this. We have web pages like tutorme.com. Tutorme.com basically does the same. It helps you connect to people who want to get tutored on something. And since a lot of people are staying home and a lot of kids are being homeschooled, there's a lot of demand for teachers online. There's actually another page that helps people learn English. It's for Latin people. It's called latinhire.com. So if you speak Spanish and English, maybe you can sign up to that. They actually send me an email asking for teachers. They are actively looking for teachers right now because people are learning from home. People are staying home. So there's a lot of opportunity in these fields. Cambly is another webpage. This webpage is specifically designed to help people learn English. So this is another webpage that you should check out because if you speak more than one language, this is a good way for you to make a good amount of money online. So make sure to check out Cambly, make sure to check out Latin Hire, make sure to Google in general how to become a tutor online because it's a very good way to make money. Now let's go to our next way to make money online. This one's very simple and pretty much anybody can do it, and it's user testing. User testing is basically testing out web pages and testing out services in order to let companies know if the service and the web page is adequate or it's working well, right? So there's companies out there who want the opinion of people like you because that's the people they sell to, right? So they want their opinion on their products, they want their opinion on new products they're coming out with on their webpage, etc., right? So they test their products with people like you. So if you sign up to this webpage, you'll be able to test stuff and then you get paid for testing, right? So you sign up, you take the tests, and you get paid. And you can make a very good amount of money here. This is another way to use your downtime online to start making some money and some extra cash on the side. So make sure you check it out. User testing. There's more web pages than just this one, so check out a few and maybe Google the term user testing to learn a little bit more. Now let's go to our next way to make money online, and this is a test scorer. Test scorers basically do what the name says. They do test scores, right? They score tests, they check the answers, and then they decide if it's correct or incorrect, and then they give you the grade accordingly, right? Why is this available online? Because again, there are a lot of people who are currently being taught online. There are a lot of people who are switching their ways of living because of everything that's going on. So there's a lot of work opportunities online and there's a lot of work opportunities in the education field. So make sure you check that out. But scoring opportunities are very profitable, right? You can become a test scorer and just work from home, just score some tests and make some money on the side. So make sure to check it out. It's a very good webpage and it's a good and simple way to make money. Now let's go to our next way to make money, number 4. This is going to be work as a freelancer. Freelancers are making good amounts of money right now online because again, everything is being transformed to remote working. A lot of people are opting to work from home rather than going to an office because of the virus. So Upwork, for example, is a very good webpage to start your freelancing job, right? They have several categories over here, and these categories cover a lot of different types of jobs that you could do and earn money doing them, right? So basically Upwork, the way it works, it connects connects freelancers to people who are looking for freelancers. So you can sign up as a freelancer, you can sign up as someone who's hiring someone to get a job done. Maybe you already have something and you don't have the time to do it, and you would like to invest a little bit more time and you have the money. Here's where you could hire people, right? But it also works for people who are looking for jobs, because there's thousands and thousands of jobs being posted on Upwork every single day. So make sure to check it out, because they have a little bit of everything, and there's something anyone can like. And there must be one or at least two jobs that you could perform at all times, right? Because there's so many people posting jobs now. We also have freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is kind of the same deal, but a little bit different. It has some other type of job offers. They call them contests, in which you can actually submit the work that's already done, and then whoever is hiring just picks the one they like the most, and that's whoever gets the money. So it's very interesting, but it's not necessarily the best for your time. But if you have the time, you could just do the work and see if you win, and you could earn more money than just doing the jobs in general. Check out Squad Help as well. Squad Help helps you submit your ideas for names for several different things, and then if people like it, they'll buy them and you get paid for them. It's very simple. It basically just goes straight from your mind. They're paying for your mind, right? They're paying for your ideas. You just name things, you submit those names, and then if they pick it, they pay you, right? You submit. It's very hard to name companies sometimes. It's very hard to come up with something that you might like, and this is a way people get help, right? They go on by names, they go on by identities, and you could come up with those identities and sell them online. So this is a very good way to make money. It's very simple, it's very easy. Make sure you check out Squad Help. Now let's go to way number 5 of making money. This is becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are what they sound like. They're assistants that work virtually. Basically, you just work for someone remotely and you help them out with their day-to-day tasks. Maybe it's gonna be answering some phone calls, maybe it's gonna be making some phone calls, making appointments, checking out data, checking out prices, buying stuff, you know, just basically whatever someone might need, you do for them. But you're gonna do it remotely. You're gonna do it from home, so it's a very good way for you to make money and keep a job with flexible hours, maybe depending on the person that you're doing this for, but it's a good way to keep a job and do stuff from home and just have to worry about getting stuff done on a checklist, maybe if this person only has stuff for you to do, or maybe just be attentive during a certain amount of hours during the day to help them out with whatever task they might need. But check out Fancy Hands. There's other web pages too that provide these services. Here in Fancy Hands, they have a lot of information, all the stuff that you'll need to become a virtual assistant and the kind of qualifications that they're looking for, etc. So make sure you check it out. But we also have Vava. Vava Virtual Assistants does the same thing. It basically connects you to people who are looking for virtual assistants, same with Fancy Hands, and then those people will hire you and they'll pay you to help them out. We also have Belay.com. Belay.com basically does the same thing. It's a webpage that will help you connect to people who are looking for virtual assistants, and then it will help you get hired by those people and start making money through helping them out with daily tasks. So make sure to check it out. There's very many web pages that offer this service. There's more than just this, so make sure to do a thorough Google search and check them all out, because there might be opportunities that you'll find on one that you won't find on the other, and you might be able to get more than one or work for more than one person, and in that way maybe make a little bit more money. So make sure to check them out, and let's go to our next way to make money, which is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now, Amazon Mechanical Turk is a webpage that will help you find job opportunities. It's a crowdsourcing marketplace that makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their processes and jobs to a distributed workforce who can perform these tasks virtually. This could include anything from conducting simple data validation, research, tasks, etc., right? Survey participation, content moderation, and more. So it basically basically takes jobs that a company would hire someone to do, and then they'll do them, but it's not really the kind of job that takes too much thinking. It's just the kind of job that takes time, so it helps them connect to people who have the time and they want to make money on the side during their own time, and they want to work from home, and all they have to do is maybe verify some data, maybe help out some type of AI, right? But let's take a look here at what the webpage for the workers looks like. It tells you make your money in your spare time, right? So it helps you, this webpage will help you, guide you through the whole process and how it works a little bit better than the one before. The one before was more for companies who are looking for these people, but this is more what the worker will have to deal with, right? So you have tagging, you have classifying, you have a lot of different like tiny little mindless task, I would say, right? So like tagging, for example, would be like, oh, select all the cars in this picture. So you would just select the cars in the picture. It's really not that hard, but it's time consuming. So they're looking for people to do these jobs, and if you have the time, this is a good way to make money on the side. Next, we have transcribing. Transcribing has become very popular lately. It basically is what it sounds like. You're just transcribing videos or audios. A lot of people need subtitles on YouTube. A lot of people need subtitles on a lot of stuff. There is a lot of videos on social media, and if you notice, a lot of them are getting subtitles on them, just so that people don't have to actually listen to them to understand what's going on. So transcribing is a very good way to make money online. There's several packages over here, and there's several rewards for the people trying to become a transcriber, right? So if we click over here in rev.com, make sure you check out this page because it's very, very good. It pays very well for transcriptions, and it has a lot of work. But it tells you create a flexible work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs. You can sign up in less than an hour. You get paid weekly, and so you can be a captioner, a transcriptionist. You can do a lot of different jobs here, and you can get paid per minute 30 to $1.10. So that's a very good margin. Even earning only 30 cents an hour or a minute per as a transcriptionist, you could, if you do a minute, like if you are very fast at it, you could be making $18 an hour. So that's a very good amount of money. And then we have other web pages like Transcribe Me. Transcribe Me does the same thing. Helps you work from home, helps you find jobs at home in the area of transcriptions. Make sure to check it out. Supposedly they are the ones that pay the most, so they probably will pay you a little bit more than the one that I just showed you, rev.com. It's probably worth checking both of them out and signing up to both of them, because there is no limit on the amount of web pages you can sign up to, and maybe if you don't find work from one of them, you can find work on another one. So make sure you sign up to as many of these web pages as you can, because I feel like that would be very beneficial to anyone looking for a job and extra money during these times. Now, Transcribe Anywhere is another web page where you can do this and provide transcription services and make some money on the side. Now let's go to our next way to make money. Number 8 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, if you don't know what it is basically the process of selling someone else's products and making a commission on it. If you don't know what it is or how it works, I suggest you watch one of our earlier videos on the subject. We have videos on affiliate marketing and how to do it step by step, so you can check those out and learn how to do it. But basically my personal favorite is Amazon Associates. Why? Because I use Amazon a lot, right? So Amazon has a list of products that you can select from, and you can offer those products to people, and if people buy them, you can make a commission. Now there's a page here called Tips and Reviews. They have an ad for a hard drive, right? 12 terabyte hard drive, and if you click on the link, it'll send you to Amazon and you can buy it. Now the thing is, this person probably has an Amazon account, and if you buy this, they'll make a percentage on that sale, so they'll be making money by providing that product to you. Now there's other web pages that do this, and in all of the earlier videos, I suggest you sign up to as many as you can, because each of them have different products, and so you have a wider catalog to select from, and you can choose what products you're going to be promoting, and you have more products to select from. to promote, right? So the more products you have to select from, the better products you can choose, and the better you can promote them and sell them. Make sure you check out CJ Affiliates and ShareASell. ShareASell specifically, to me, has some of the best products out there, so make sure to check it out. They have several categories here that you can pick from, and they even tell you what brands they are offering. So make sure to check out ShareASell, make sure to check out CJ Affiliates, and make sure to check out Amazon Associates. Sign up to them and start your affiliate marketing business. Now, if you want to take it a little bit more seriously and you want to take it to the next level, I suggest you sign up to the Affiliates Club. The Affiliates Club is a private community of people building online businesses through affiliate marketing. The club is designed to connect affiliates with businesses owners and course creators in order to help them sell their product, and in order to help them get better products, to help marketers get better products to sell. They have a free course. This person, Andy Isom, made a course. He made over $40,000 on affiliate marketing last year, so it's definitely something worth checking out. Make sure you sign up, and if you want to truly get into affiliate marketing, make sure you check out the Affiliates Club. Now, we want to thank you very much for watching. We are very glad to have you here. We appreciate you being here watching our videos. We hope this helped you out, and if it did, please give us a like. If you find any of these ideas helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're always uploading videos on new ways to make money online, so you might find other helpful ways to make a little bit of money during these hard times. Thank you very much once again for watching, and we'll see you later.